Hey, I'm Simon. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the rinse agent dispenser on your LG dishwasher. If you have been experiencing problems like dishes not drying properly, spotting on your glassware, or a lack of shine, it might be time to inspect or replace this part. Before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more DIY appliance repair tips and guides. Let's make sure your dishwasher is running smoothly. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you to do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a multimeter. The rinse agent dispenser is a part of the detergent dispenser assembly. It operates by the PCB simultaneously with the detergent dispenser. To test it, we need to fill up the rinse cup, and then we need to run a quick self-test. Locate the power, auto, and start buttons. Press them simultaneously. All LEDs should come on, indicating initiation of the test mode. With the dishwasher door closed, press the start button once. The detergent dispenser door should open right away. If not, check the display. The EE code tells you that the PCB has gone bad. But still, you probably want to make sure what part is to blame. Unplug the dishwasher and, just to be on the safe side, turn the water supply off and open the door. Using a Phillips screwdriver, take out 2 screws from the top mounting brackets. Pull the dishwasher out and turn it left to expose the right side. Using the flathead screwdriver, release 2 clips and pull the PCB out. Turn it over, remove the Phillips screw, and take the metal cover off. Next, we are going to need a multimeter. One of the best tools that you can have in your toolbox is a multimeter, and we would love to show you how this device works and how you can benefit from using it. Check out the video in the description. Set your meter to the resistance, horseshoe-like sign. Locate the WH6 plug and insert the probes in pins 3 and 4, black and red connectors. If you read about 16 ohms, the solenoid coil is good. If not, replace the dispenser. Unplug the dishwasher, open the door, and using the Phillips screwdriver, remove 4 long screws on the top and then 6 on the sides, and separate the outer and the inner doors. Don't run away with the other door yet. There is still a plug in the upper left corner that needs to be disconnected. Use a flathead screwdriver to disconnect 2 plugs from the dispenser. To remove the dispenser, we are going to use the 3 plastic tools supplied with the new dispenser. Separate the pieces and insert 2 with writing side on both sides, and one says bottom at the bottom. Pull the dispenser assembly from inside up and out. This is the old detergent dispenser next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Check if the flanges are not bent. Straighten them if needed. Place the support tool, box-looking part, outside over the opening. Position the dispenser the correct way and press it in hard so all of the flanges will lock in place. Make sure there are no gaps. Connect the plugs. Bring the outer door and connect the plug. Install the door, match the holes, and secure it with the 10 Phillips screws. The short ones on the sides and the long ones on the top. Plug the dishwasher in, open the water supply. Guess what? We are done. Great job tackling your dishwasher repair. If your dishes are now drying like they should, we would love to hear about your success. Share your experience in the comments below, and if you need to replace any parts, just grab your model number and visit AppliancePartsPros.com to order what you need. Most parts arrive within a couple of days. Thank you for choosing us as your repair partner, and we look forward to assist you with your next DIY project.